I've been in sales for over 25 years. The one thing that has remained consistent, it's this. The number one predictor of your sales performance is the number of customer meetings you have locked in your calendar. That is it. Go take a look at your calendar, or someone in your team or your friend who's not doing well in sales. It's probably full of like internal meetings. Oh, I'm really busy. Or meeting customers who are kind of like now friends. I call those teas and biscuits meetings, right? We've all done them. I'm looking for strategic meetings. I want to be having, maybe it's 3 new customer meetings a week, minimum. Now, the great news is, as soon as you start the prospecting process, you start getting results that day. I've just locked in another meeting. Celebrate that, because that's what sales is all about.